Hi guys, today when I woke up, I saw some white flies attacking this beautiful Fagus sylvatica beach hedge plant and also on some other areas of my garden. I didn't notice it earlier because they are very tiny, and today when I saw them, they had almost infested whole area. These tiny sap-sucking insects can damage your lawn within days. You need to be very careful and act as soon as you see them in your garden. I am a farmer living in Punjab. Here on our farms, we use a natural pesticide made from the leaves of our native neem tree that you can easily find in India. First of all, I'll be using a vacuum cleaner to remove most of eggs and tiny little white bugs. Just keep in mind to be careful and don't damage leaves of the plants. These white flies lay hundreds of eggs and often stay underneath the leaves of the plant. These white flies leave a sticky substance called honeydew that not only slows the process of the photosynthesis but also attracts ants and other diseases in your garden. While you are using a vacuum cleaner, vacuum the underside of the leaves until no white flies remains. When you are finished vacuuming, make sure to dispose of the bag someplace where white flies cannot find entry to your garden. After removing most of the white flies from the plant, we will make sure that these white flies doesn't return back. For this, we will take some neem leaves. Remove the neem leaves from the stem so that it can boil easily. You can also use the stems if you have bigger size container for boiling the leaves. We will transfer these leaves into a container and pour water in it. I normally use 1 kg leaves and 7-liter water. Take 4 to 5 garlic cloves and add it into the same container and let it boil for 10 minutes. After some time, you will notice that leaves have turned light in color, and that's the time you can turn off the heater and let it cool down. Pour the neem extract into a bucket by filtering it through a cotton cloth. Do not spray this immediately, let it cool down for few hours. As you can see, there are a lot of sticky larvae underneath leaves. I will remove most of the leaves that are infested by using hedge trimmer, or you can even use a scissor. This step is basically not necessary, you can even miss it. I am removing the leaves so that more energy is used by the plant to grow new leaves. After trimming the leaves, now it's time to wash. Use a strong stream of water to knock off any remaining white flies, and then you can apply neem spray. This washing process will help you getting rid of remaining adult white flies. Now it's time to spray with the neem extract that we have prepared earlier. First of all, add 3 to 4 spoons of cooking oil plus 2 to 3 spoons of dishwashing liquid soap. Oil will help pesticide to stick to the plant and doesn't just run off, and the role of dishwashing soap is to break down the oil. Add neem leaf extract to the sprayer, or you can even use the spray bottle, whatever you have. I am going to use a hand pressurized sprayer. Spray it deep onto the leaves and stems of the plant. And the best time to spray it is in your late evening. Just make sure you also spray nearby plants so that white flies doesn't hide there. And that's the result I got after 4 to 5 days. And thanks guys for watching my video. If you like watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch my further videos.